Hi everyone, it's me again, Novi, and it's been a long time since I uploaded a video. So today, I'm gonna walk you through Tella because they have updated the UI. So before, the tools are on the right side of your screen, and now it's already on the left side. So this is how it looks now. All right, so if you're interested in Tella, you can get 30% off using my link. So don't forget to use my link to get 30% off. That's a huge discount. So take advantage of that. All right. So now here, I'm going to show you the latest update of Tella, which is the new UI. This is the setup tool where you can change the title, the description, the chapter, the size or the orientation of your video, the language, and the adjustment of the animations. So that's the setup tool. And then next one is the cut tool where you can find mistakes, remove buffers, remove silences, and remove filler words. So that's the function of the cut tool. And the layout tool is where you can change the layout of your video, split screen, camera style, small, medium, large. So the position, the screen fit, camera only, screen only. And here's the media. Okay, and then next is the effect tool where you can add blur and add highlight to your video. The zoom tool where you can add zoom to highlight key areas on your video. And then the style where you can change the background, the border style, the shape of your border, or this is also where you can overlay a logo on your video. You can just upload it so it will appear on your video. And then the subtitle where you can choose the subtitle from the 5 choices here, and you can also edit that here. So if there are misspelled words, you can just edit it there. And then next is the redo tool where you can just re-record your video all over again. So as you can see, these are the clips. So I recorded multiple clips, so it's easier for me to repurpose this long video into short form videos. Okay, so after editing the video, same functionalities, it's just the position of the tools are now on the right side of your screen. So pretty much the same. Let me know in the comment section which one would you prefer, the tools on the right side or on the left side. So let me know in the comment sections. And that's just my update for this video. Thanks so much for watching. Bye.